In a world filled with wonder and curiosity, brave young adventurers embark on a journey to uncover the potential harms of mold and ways to reduce exposure. Molds are common outdoors. They have an important role in our ecosystem, helping to break down organic materials to nurture local systems. The molds can make their way into our homes. They enter through doorways, windows, air conditioning, heating and ventilation systems, and cracks in floors, walls, or ceilings. Molds build up and grow in dark places with too much moisture, like humid bathrooms, places with plumbing or roof leaks, pet urine and overwatered houseplants, and after flooding. Make sure to look for mold in your air conditioning units and clean them frequently, following the instructions in its user manual. Molds are associated with health effects like allergies, sneezing, coughing, wheezing, itchy eyes, rashes, tiredness, and concentration issues. People with breathing issues may be more sensitive. Decrease wet spots within 1 to 2 days to decrease mold. To clean up mold, preparation is key. Remove children and pets from the room before cleaning. Open windows and doors and use a fan if possible. Use a face covering. The National Institute for Occupational Safety and Health approved N95 masks are best. Use eye protection. If possible, safety goggles with no ventilation holes. Wear hand protection. Rubber or water-resistant gloves are best. You don't get extra benefit in fighting mold by using bleach or disinfectants. Some of these products can cause health problems. Dish soap or detergent are best for your health. Otherwise, products from EPA's Safer Choice list are the next healthiest option and may be purchased online. If you can't get one of these, try to choose unscented products. If you choose to use a disinfectant, here are some of the active ingredients that are safer for human health. Vigorously scrub the moldy area with detergent and water using a firm brush. Rinse with clean water to remove any remaining spores. Thoroughly dry the area. If water damage is from contaminated water like sewage, or if the moldy area is bigger than 3 by 3 feet, get professional help. Local health departments may be able to recommend professionals. If you keep your spaces dry, promptly clean small areas of mold, and get professional help for larger issues, you'll help protect your kids' health.
Check out the Western States PASU for more information on children's environmental health.